Hey, been doing a lot of canning lately. Holy moly, my kitchen, it's never gonna see a clean moment except for at night when we're done. And then back at it the next morning. So just been keeping busy doing all the things to preserve as much of our garden as we possibly can. I did have to buy some corn from the Mennonites because my seeds did not take. This is the second year in a row, which is fine. So I got corn in the pressure canner and I used the cobs actually to make a syrup. And so it's currently boiling down on a gentle boil because we need to reduce it so that it becomes more of a thick syrup. And I never would have known about this, but I've been watching all kinds of different channels and what I can do with corn instead of wasting the cob after I take the corn off. And as well, the tassels actually make an excellent tea. And so I am drinking the tea right now with the tassels. It's got all the silks. The silks, Jen, not the tassels. Maybe it's the tassels too, I don't know. But I only read up on the silks. Now with the tassels, it's got all kinds of benefits for your body and your digestive system. So make use of the silks from the corn. Excellent medicine. So I put the silks into a tincture. So this is just 190 proof vodka. I watered it down a little bit. You don't need to have it that strong. So in a couple of days or weeks, just leave it in there. It'll be a perfect medicine. Look at all kinds of videos on the medicinal benefits of corn silks. Beautiful. So I boiled the corn actually in the leftover liquid that I had from our Hascap jam. There's our beautiful jam right there. So it is vibrant, deep red jam that I had left over from in the pot. So all I did was I put all of the corn cobs into the pot and then covered them with water. The Hascap jam was a little bit in the bottom and piled the corn cobs in there with water, gentle boil for an hour. Then I used my little strainer that's so handy that it fits right on the side of the pot and strained out any of the excess that will go to the chickens. And I will be giving some of them to the chickens, and I also have friends that have cows and pigs, and they will absolutely love this little snack along with the husks. Now you can make crafts and do braids with the husks. I just don't have the time, so it's going to be a nice little treat for the cows and the pigs. Rolling in. We're rolling in. Oh my God, can you believe it? Look at them all. Oh, wow. There's the big mama. The big mamas. They're beautiful.
You want to go out and get covered with mud.
Yeah.
I know.
Oh my goodness, Denise.
Aren't they sweet?
Oh.
Little pig noses.
So then all I did was I added in a bag of brown sugar. And this is going to be reducing. It's on a heat level of 5 currently right now, so medium heat. So anyone that follows my shorts for the hashtag Free Shit Friday, there's a place that we go to that gives away transport loads of free food and all kinds of stuff every week. By the truckloads. It's incredible. So this is a bag of the sugar that I had for free, and it was quite hard, but no worries, right? Because once you put it into your liquid, it all breaks down and there you go. So we're gonna wait. I think it's gonna take probably about an hour or two to reduce this, and once it starts to get super low, then you want to take the temperature down quite a bit because you don't want it to burn. It's just like when we do maple syrup, right? And apparently it tastes just like maple syrup. So we'll bring you back when we're all done. Corn silk tea. It's good. Like, who knew you could do such cool stuff with your corn waste. It's not even waste. It's all super, super, super awesome stuff, right? So I'm super pumped. And I think we're gonna go and have to get some more corn. I think it's actually cheaper at the grocery store. The Mennonites here are charging 75 cents a cob. So I think at the grocery store it's 25 cents, maybe even 5 of them for $1. So we'll go. I got busy outside getting the apples ready. Selling apples. And I almost burnt it. So it is a lot like maple syrup consistency. You gotta be careful. Set a timer if you gotta set a timer. And be by the oven. Be by the stove so that you don't burn it. But look at how beautiful this is looking. We're gonna get her into a jar very soon. So we got our sterilized, it's an old maple syrup container. Sterilized funnel. And I'm just gonna pour it right in. Tilt your funnel on the side and it goes in a lot quicker. Beautiful! That's a lot of corn cob syrup. Awesome. And Alex loves it so much, he's gonna want to lick the bowl. So that's what we got, folks. Pretty awesome. Tastes like maple syrup-ish. Very good. It's got that herby yumminess, sweetness. So I'm hoping that you'll try this too with your corn cobs. Once the corn's off. I think it's fantastic. It's resourceful. It's delicious and beautiful. Thanks for watching. Keep on doing the things.